Facts that blow your mind. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The average person spends about 6 months of their lifetime waiting for red traffic lights to turn green. The tongue is the strongest muscle in the human body relative to its size. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to thermal expansion. In 2014, a single Bitcoin was worth less than $1, and by 2021, its value exceeded $60,000. The highest recorded speed of a sneeze is 102.5 miles per hour, 165.6 kilometers per h.